Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're out again mooching about with Dave. Hope you're all good. All we're doing today is a little bit of a circuit of Derwent Water, and then I'm going to sleep in the car tonight.
Honey, can you pass me those smokies? Cover your eyes and dream of yesterday. Rely on the radio, lately you've been singing so softly. A couple more miles, we'll be there any day now. 'Cause honey, I am maybe I'll make you mine. Ooh, I am there for you. I am yours, but you ain't mine. Stay out late, it's been a long day. The sun it won't rise, but maybe I'll ask this time. Dive in the lake, I'll watch you shake, you're freezing. Cover up nice, it's getting cold and late. 'Cause change this time. I am yours.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you're all good, living the dream. And we're out again on another adventure, and this is just a short one. I think it's short. It's only a low-level walk around Derwent. Weather's a bit crappy, but we're into autumn, so we get some nice colours in my cheeks. Oh, what a cheek! So yeah. Oh, and by the way, this is a disclaimer. I better put it on because this is actually AI at the moment. So what you're seeing is just computer generated, because obviously I wouldn't look this good in normal life, so a computer's doing this, all the filters, all the bells and whistles, all that kind of palaver. And obviously, I mean, it must be AI, because I wouldn't be able to do this, would I? No way I could do that. It's got to be AI. Anyway, I'm sat at home, so let the computer do it. Why not? Well, I'm getting a bit of a smell here. No, it's not me. I mean, when it rains, you just smell all the... You can't explain it, but it definitely reminds you of the likes of Colamendy when you were going to Wales. Wales. Now, I don't know how AI is doing it, but I'll tell you what, they're doing a good job, aren't they? AI has picked out every leaf, even put in a boardwalk for us. Whereas I'm still sitting on the couch having a cup of tea. Amazing, absolutely amazing. Quite busy. Every time I get the camera out, someone comes around the corner and I've got to stop talking, because they do look at you and think, oh god, another one of them. Right, where does that go? Oh, that goes to somebody's house. No, I can't go that way. Carry on this way. Stable Hills Cottage. Don't know where I'm going. I'm just winging this, by the way. Ooh. Oh, what a fantastic gate. Is it? Oh no, that's the sheep pen. Let's go this way then. So yeah, every time I start talking, another one pops up. Too many people. Making too many problems. So I think we're on the right track anyway. Now that's how you make a tree. What's gone on there? That is some. Maybe just high levels of testosterone. Huh? Interesting. Right, let's make a little visit, a little detour to, I think this is called the 100-year stone. Ow! Trees attacking me now. Yeah. Obviously they just cracked that in half and that was already in it. Just a freak of nature really. Or AI. You'll never know. So yeah, I've not been out that much, have I? Been a bit dormouse. Yeah, just usual catching up on jobs on the house and that. I mean, there's only so much fence painting you can do, and rearranging your shed, that kind of thing, and painting things. Kind of just getting ready for full-blown retirement, I guess. Full-blown. So yeah, enjoying it, definitely. Best decision one could make. Leave the rat race behind, get off that hamster wheel, because basically the hamster wheel's just powering everything. We're all sort of driving away on it, whizzing around, then we get home and do it again the next day. What do you call it? Eat, sleep, repeat, isn't it? Something like that. As you can see, it's been a bit of a dry year really, because we're into autumn and you can see where the level should be up to, or would be getting up to that level anyway. Oh, the glove of self-love. So over there, that is, I believe that is Cat Bells. Over there, it just goes all the way up there. Now I wouldn't advise putting a bell on a cat, because apparently it annoys them. The constant jingling in their ears is very unsettling for a cat, and also it could get caught on some barbed wire or maybe some fencing. So my advice, a paper collar, and just tag your cat. Always remember, tag your cat. Oh. I think there is a way through. Let's make it interesting. Oh, right, yeah. Over and under. Oh, ow. And then impale myself. Yes, so it's good. A nice day for an impalement. Oh. Yes, Cat Bells. I probably will do a camp up there one time. Don't know when. But it's one of them routes, it's too busy. Too bloody busy. It's like this one. I mean, even though we're into the end of October nearly, and this is very busy, which I'm not a big fan on. I want to get away from people. Not that I like some people, don't get me wrong. You know who you are. But just give me a moment. Just give us the moment, will you? Just checking what's under the boardwalk. It's a bit mad, like, because I'm retired and I've probably done less camps than when I was in work. How'd you work that out? Probably because when you're in work you kind of snatch at it. You go, oh, got a few days off here, better go for it. But now it's like, yeah, I'll just go tomorrow or the next day. So that's my reasoning, I think. But I don't really want to keep that up, because then I do less camps. I'm supposed to be doing more, which is the whole point. Is it not? To not or not to not is not. See what I mean? Oh well. Oh well, you obviously don't. Well, thanks for staying anyway, if you're still here. Right, stop saying right. Now, how many times have I been down that road in my car and on a bike, and I've never really done this path. So yeah, this is my first time doing a circular route on foot around Derwent. When I did it with sounds a bit rude. I've done it with stop saying done it. I cycled with young Paul, fellow my lad, all the way around Derwent. Well, that was, and when I think about it, it was 2014, because it was not long after I had my second hernia repair, maybe about 2 months. But I was trying to get back into the swing of things, and I struggled a little bit, but we got there. That was it 2014? 11 years ago. Don't even go there, even if you have got a time machine, which we haven't. Oh God, don't watch The Dark. Not The Dark, it's dark. It's just called Dark on Netflix. Jesus Christ, it's like as if you can't get out of watching it. You're in this constant time loop, and I think all the actors were as well. In real life, they couldn't get out of it because Netflix wouldn't let them out of it. It just kept going round in circles. I thought, I'm just going to take my brain out and put it in the microwave in a minute. The way it was going on. Don't watch it. Don't start. That's what I say. Don't even start. Yeah. So you can be in there, a little bit of paradise, and then the bus goes past. 555. Tony, what bus was that? 555. I don't know. So you're so close to nature, and there's the road, which is handy, I suppose. Kettlewell. Of course, this is National Trust, isn't it? So I could have parked here really, instead of up by the lake. Let's see if we can get round here. No, you can't. Disabled access. Why? Disabled access. You want to go on a wheelchair, do you? Yeah.
Your soul looks full of sorrow, the way clouds look full of rain. And I'd like to use the water to wash away your pain, the soreness in your soul, it's palpable. Flowers are in bloom. More rain is coming soon. Little one, we hear you. Little one, we know. It's been hard and a long time coming. Yeah, we left you on your own. The soreness in your soul, it's palpable. Flowers are in bloom. More rain is coming soon.
Anyway, so let's see what Cheeky Charlie thinks about the whole situation. If there is a situation. Over to Cheeky. Fucking wet. Oh God. Yes, it's raining. We know it's raining. I did have to catch you to get you to come out anyway, so you're out anyway, so just enjoy it. It's a bit windy and wet. Oh God, not nice, but enjoyable. I wanted to get some footage of the bridge with the drone, but it's just too windy. I said, oh, there's a passing place for wheelchairs. Look, slightly wider section. Ah, they think of everything. They think of everything. Now this would, I think this would end up as part of the Cumbria Way. As you come through, is that Castle Crag? So you would make your way up this way as part of the Cumbria Way. Better with the hood down. I did promise myself I was going to do the Cumbria Way this year, sort of October, but things have gone past me a little bit. So it looks like it'll be in the spring. We'll get a few lighter nights and that. One thing and another, isn't it? So yeah. But I'll be 60 then. Ha! So maybe it's a bit of a benchmark. Do it in your 60th year, I guess. Okay. Yeah, so I do apologise all those who've been looking forward to probably an extended video of me doing the Cumbria Way, because you know what I'm like, there'll be all kinds going on. I don't kind of plan it, I just sort of, autism takes over and does its own thing really. Like Tourette's, but less complicated. Not like Tourette's. Not. They can't do that, Dave. There's people who've got Tourette's. What are you doing? You've done it again. See? But I've got autism. And as soon as you mention Tourette's, autism kind of connects with Tourette's. Well, they always say, of all the disabilities, which one would you prefer? Dyslexia? Autism? I prefer TISM. Thank you very much. The fuck are you on about? Anyway.
Oh, I'm wandering and stumbling, hurt, love, and heart and soul. I'm a sinner and believer in everything I'm told. Oh, I'm a light-hearted, short-stopping, one-way ticket home. I'm a grass rolling, weed smoking, rivers lead me home. Oh, please don't take me so serious. Now we're back to where we started. It's just me and my mama. All of my friends took the long way to tomorrow. I won't get much sleep tonight, 'cause we're all lost in where it all began. I'm a wildflower dancing around someone else's tune, afraid of falling forward towards a light that hasn't moved.
Hold up. Where'd you go? Just can't get the drone out. It's just too wet and windy. Well, not too windy, the wind has died down, but I can't get. You just get your words out there. You'll just get soaked. Camera and everything. I don't think they're waterproof. Yeah, no drone footage, but let's see what happens later.
Oh, please don't take us so serious. 1, 2, 3. Now we're back to where we started. It's just me and my mama. All of my friends took a long way to tomorrow. I won't get much sleep tonight, 'cause we're all lost in where it all began. I'm a wildflower dancing around someone else's tune, afraid of falling forward towards a light that hasn't moved. Oh, I won't get much sleep tonight. I won't get much sleep tonight. Now we're back to where we started. Just me and my mom. All of my friends took a long way to tomorrow. I won't get much sleep tonight. I won't get much sleep tonight.
Right, here's the challenge. Easy when you know how. Oh, not quite. Oh. Got a stick. Have your stick. Just ran past me and shit myself then. Yeah, so I think this is the full route is about 12 kilometres, which is about, on average, most of the sections of the Cumbria Way. So this is be a good test for me to see if these little old pipe cleaners can do it. Last time I walked 12 kilometres within Spain with young Gary and Jason. Well, that was a bit of a slog through sand, so it was a bit harder to traverse. Dogs are up in front. Anyway, yeah, I'm not far off Portinscale, somewhere a mile and a half. Or a smile and a half. A smile and a half. Shut up. Shut up, Obi-Wan. Obi-4. Right, actually. Doom and gloom. How dark it is. How dark it's gone. And look back. You see that? Otherwise, this stuff's going to get wet and be drowned. More importantly, my biscuits. Anyway, stop saying anyway. There is the start of Cap Bells, isn't it? Oh, now I'm not sure who invented the skip. I'm not sure if I've mentioned it to you, Dave, but putting a bell on a cat is not a good thing because it really unsettles the cat. It constant jingling can lead it to a disorientation and maybe not even be able to find its way home. So for me, definitely paper collar or advice tagging. Alan's tip of the day. Who invented the skip? Keep going. I think this is the way. Seems reasonably wayish. There was another path down there, but I'm not too sure about it. So let's hope this is correct. I hope I'm not rushing this because I feel like I am because of the weather. I'm just worried about my stuff getting wet. Oh good, someone's making some kind of shelter for sacrifices, probably. Sacrifices in the woods, I tell you. There is things go on in these woods late at night that only the locals know about. I know, I've seen it while we were camping. Strange dancing in the middle of the night around a fire, mostly involved with nakedness. It always does, doesn't it? What's the point otherwise? Get naked. Billy Connolly did it. Ah, a leaf twatted me in the face. Maybe I can shelter under these plate mushrooms again. I'll get under that one, it's a big one. Someone welcome me. At least someone likes me. No, you're not getting fed. I'm going to put that up to this bit at you. Oh, very nice. Let's go and have a look. Don't think I'm allowed in it, but I can have a look, can't I? Oh, it's like my driveway. I've been expecting you. Scheisenhauser. Right, so we're just getting back into Portinscale. So it's kind of like the last leg. Then through Keswick, back to the car park. Pretty easy route really. I mean, just as long as you keep left, you can't go wrong, can you? Saying that, no me. I got no sense of direction sometimes. Keep left can mean anything. Yeah.
If I have a breakdown